Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of merit. The quality of being particularly good or worthy, especially so as to deserve praise or reward. For example, composers of outstanding merit. American pronunciation. Merit. Merit. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Merit. Say. Merit. Merit means quality of being good. Merit. Merit. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Civil servants should be recruited on merit alone. Now, repeat after me. Civil servants should be recruited on merit alone. The second practice. England's top sides are where they are on merit. Now, repeat after me. England's top sides are where they are on merit.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.